Nature has provided our eyes with eyelids to protect us from any objects. The eyelids protect our eyes. They shut when any such light or any object tries to enter inside the eye. Eye is such a wonderful instrument that it can see distant objects as well as near objects clearly. Now we don't realize it that we can see things nearby as well as far away very quickly, and we don't realize it. The minimum distance at which the eye can see clearly varies with age, but the object can be seen which is 25 centimeter away from our eyes. At that place we can see the object clearly. So that is the minimum distance of a normal eye. So whenever we read, we must keep the object 25 centimeter away from our eyes so that the image is formed clearly on the eye. Some people can see near objects clearly, but some people cannot see far away objects clearly. Some people cannot see near objects, and so this is a defect which is there in the eye, and these are the two types of defects of the eye. So normal person will be able to see nearby distance is 25 centimeter. You can read, he will be able to read up to 25 centimeter clearly, and far away maximum distance to which he can see is infinity. So if a person is having normal eye, he will be able to read up till 25 centimeter, and maximum distance which he can see is infinity. Infinity will be a distance like you can see stars if your eyes are normal, and if your eyes are not. So there are two defects of the eye. One is the nearsightedness and one is the farsightedness. Both the defects are not mentioned here. One is the near defect, that is called the myopia. So myopia is a defect which is not mentioned in this book. Myopia is a defect where a person has the ability of seeing things which is near his eyes. And the next defect is called the hypermetropia, where a person is having a far away vision. Hypermetropia. So these are the two defects of the eye. Myopia, where a person can see nearby things clearly, but he has problem in seeing things which are far away. And hypermetropia is the defect where a person can see far away things clearly, but he is not able to see things clearly near the eyes. These are the two defects of the eye, and both the defects are due to various reasons. Myopia is caused because the person's eye lens is not able to focus the image properly on the retina. The object which is kept near his eyes, he will be able to see clearly, but when he tries to see things which are far away, then that image which is formed, which is kept, the object which is kept far away, that image falls before the retina. The image or the rays of light do not meet at the retina, they fall before the retina. These are the defects. They are not in the book, but for a reference point, the normal vision is where the image forms correctly on the retina. You can see that the image, one more important thing is that the image in the eye is always formed inverted, and this inverted image is sharp when the eye is normal. If a person is having myopia, then the image which is formed from the diagram, you can see in myopia the image forms just before the retina. It is not touching the retina, so the image falls short of the retina and the person does not see clearly. So this happens when the light which is coming, it is coming from far away, so that image falls before the retina. In hypermetropia or hyperopia, the image is coming from, the person is reading. When he tries to read and when he tries to see something which is far away, the image falls at the right place. But when he tries to see object which is near the eye, the image falls behind the retina. You can see the image is forming behind. So both the defects are corrected by different types of lenses. You will study in the higher class. Astigmatism is another defect which is formed because the eye lens is not having a proper shape. So image falls blurred and the person shows difficulty in seeing sharp images. These are the main defects of the eye.